This video explains how information systems are in your organization. We start the video by explaining the information systems department, and then we discuss the organization, the information systems function. We close by showing an example of information systems department. We have seen that businesses need information systems to operate today, and that they use many different kinds of systems. But who is responsible for running these systems? Who is responsible for making sure the hardware, software, and other technologies used by these systems are running properly and are up to date? End users manage their systems from a business standpoint, but managing the technology requires a special information systems function. Information Systems Department is the formal organization unit responsible for information technology services. The Information Systems Department is responsible for maintaining the hardware, software, data storage, and networks that comprise the firm's IT infrastructure. The Information Systems Department consists of specialists such as programmers, systems analysts, project leaders, and information systems managers. These companies have chiefs on all kinds of departments, such as information, knowledge, data, and security. Today, a growing proportion of staff members are systems analysts and network specialists, with the Information Systems Department acting as a powerful change agent in the organization. The Information Systems Department suggests new business strategies and new information-based products and services, and coordinates both the development of the technology and planned changes in the organization. In general, the management of IT occupations is showing faster expansion than the technical occupations in IT, with businesses and government agencies increasingly relying on the Internet for computing and communication. System and network security management positions are especially in demand. A very small company will not have a formal information systems group. It might have one employee who is responsible for keeping its networks and applications running, or it might use consultants for these services. Larger companies will have a separate information systems departments, which may be organized along several different lines, depending on the nature and the interests of the firm. IT governance includes the strategy and policies for using information technology within an organization. It specifies the decision rights and framework for accountability to ensure that the use of information technology supports the organization's strategies and objectives. The computerization of information systems is processing driven by business needs and by the availability of improved tools for assessing the company data. IBM has adopted an architecture called the EMEA Business Information Systems, called EBIS architecture as the strategy direction for informational systems. EBIS proposes an integrated warehouse of company data based firmly in the relational database environment. The information systems organization must be guided by the business strategies of the company. This is essential to the continued success of the support systems provided for the company. The overall framework for information processing in IBM EBIS takes into account how the business and functional strategies must drive the information system strategies, which in turn determine the various information systems components architectures. These architectures are of application, data, network, and support system.